Tempered glass side panel. The side panel consists of tempered glass that can clearly showcase the fan's ARGB lighting and build without any obstruction. ARGB Showroom. Customize your colors with 4 included ARGB 120mm fans, all supported by MSI Mystic Light. Insta-Light Loop. Insta-Light Loop button allows users to quickly cycle through ARGB lighting effects and color profiles. USB Type-C support. Synergize the MPG GUNGNIR 110R with a MSI motherboard by bridging a USB Gen2 Type-C port with 10 Gbps per second for convenient access. Top reviews from the United States. Sick Tower. Everyone knows who the doctor is. I bought the box for a custom build for my dental office and everyone loves it. It's super slick and hip-hop looking without appearing unprofessional. Plenty of room for all of my stuff and the LEDs are a nice touch. Overall, I can't complain. Great case. The case has lots of space, plenty of radiator and fan mounts, and it keeps noise pretty isolated. It also has pretty great airflow.